Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up YouTube TV on your Sony Bravia. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of getting started with YouTube TV on your Sony Bravia. First, ensure your Sony Bravia is connected to the internet. If you have not already done so, go to your TV settings and select the network option to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Next, you will need to download the YouTube TV app from the Google Play Store on your Sony Bravia. To do this, go to the Apps section on your TV and select the Google Play Store. In the Google Play Store, search for YouTube TV and select the app from the search results. Click the Install button to begin the download and installation process. Once the app is installed, launch YouTube TV and sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one to use YouTube TV. After signing in, you will be prompted to agree to the terms of service and set up your YouTube TV account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. You will then be asked to select your location and choose the channels you want to include in your YouTube TV subscription. The available channels will vary depending on your location. Finally, you can start watching your favorite live TV shows and sports with YouTube TV on your Sony Bravia. You can use the YouTube TV app to browse through the available channels, schedule recordings, and access on-demand content. To get the most out of YouTube TV, make sure to explore the various features and settings within the app. You can also use the voice remote that comes with your Sony Bravia to search for content and control the YouTube TV app. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully set up YouTube TV on your Sony Bravia and start enjoying live TV and on-demand content.